guys, this is my sister, Anna.
Hello.
It's a great sister. It's the only one I have, so it's my best sister. So she has this problem. She has many problems.
Yes, unfortunately.
I also have many problems. One of her problems is that she's a huge procrastinator. Okay, she keeps delaying things. Okay, everybody has that problem, I think. So she came here today and she did our factory tour. You like the factory tour?
I was impressed. Yes.
Yes.
Very, very nice.
It's very complex, very hard to do.
No, it seemed everything is in place and very tidy. Very,
And
very nice.
complex or not complex?
Not that complex. No.
Simple.
Simple.
So we do simple things. So my sister was telling me about some struggles she had, and I just advise her to do something like this. So it's very simple. This is a list, a very small list of habits. And then I just print it out, I put the plastic, I make things ready, so we make things, we go to the action, we start taking action, and I just told her, Anna, I just ask you to put here a very simple habit that you can do every day to achieve some goal in your life, apparently impossible to achieve with such a simple habit. That's the whole idea. The most simple habit you can came up with, okay? So you put the habit, and I just put here, send an SMS to your brother. So I just want you every day, because she's in London, in the UK working, I'm in Portugal, so she's coming here on vacation. So I told her, you go back, you just start a new habit, very simple, you will actually be comfortable. It's not a habit that will become more complex. Always the same habit,
Simple.
very simple, and you just send me. Your first habit will be every day send me an SMS just to tell me if you managed to make it or not.
Okay.
That's the only thing I ask.
We have
5
a plan.
minutes. You have a plan. She had a problem in her cell phone, so actually she couldn't send SMS. So I just fixed the problem. I fixed the problem so she can do a simple habit, and your life will change. So give me a hug, sister. Bye bye.